to today's midnight talk show. Well, it's not really midnight because it's afternoon, but we're in Mrs. Kranau's 5th grade math class, and today we had to do a monster cookie activity. Sorry, I forgot the word. But we had to survey 10 people, and my questions were, if you were stuck in a cage with any animal, what would you choose? And my 4 questions were, a dog with Albert Einstein hair, a lion that only eats books, a cat that never stops talking, a giraffe that knows how to escape but doesn't tell you unless you escape by yourself. I thought a lot of people would choose a dog with Albert Einstein hair because it was the most simple, and I thought that a lot of people would choose it because it's just like a plain dog but with hair. And like hair on its head. And and I thought no one would choose the giraffe that knew how to escape but didn't tell you. And one person chose that one. And I was surprised why. Because they said because they like to do activities by themselves, and they thought if they did it by themselves, it would be more interesting, and then they could both escape. A lot of people, 40% of the people chose a lion that only eats books because it wouldn't eat them, and it could help them escape. And 30% chose a cat that doesn't stop talking. And 20% chose a dog with Albert Einstein hair. So, we're gonna take a break, and then we're gonna come back and finish this interview. Hi, I'm back, and today we're gonna do the top 10 list of Mrs. Kranau's 5th grade math class. Thanks. On 10, we have checklist. So what we do on the checklist is we learn how to speak French, and when we learn how to say it forwards and backwards, she'll give us random numbers that we have to say in French. And when we got that down, she stars it. And when we get the whole checklist done, she gives us 100%. And then on number 9, we have PODS. PODS stands for problem of the day. And when you get all 5 PODS, problem of the day done, on Friday, if you have that and your FCC sign, you get tickets. And number 8, brain gym. Brain gym is where you do an exercise for your brain and helps you relax. And then number 7, what you are going to be when you're older. It tells people what you're going to be when you're older and helps you, not really helps you, but it lets other people know what you're going to be. And let's say you're going to be a teacher like Mrs. Kranau. She's a math teacher and she wants to help other people with their math and teach other kids. And then number 6, raffle. It's kind of, so everybody should know what a raffle is. And it's where she has a bunch of items that she has sitting all over the room, and it'll have a number right next to it. And as much as how many tickets you have earned, you can put tickets into a little cup that has the number of whatever thing you want, and you put it in, and she'll take one ticket out, and it should have your name on the back, and then you'll win that prize. Number 5, math treat. Because it's also fun to do the math on the paper, and then if you get that done, you'll get a treat. Number 4, FCC. This is also fun because it's where you have to do flashcards, and when you get the 2 sets of flashcards done, on Friday you have to get it signed, and then Mrs. Kranau will start it, and then you'll get tickets. Number 3, Tangram. It's where we had to do this project. We had to use tangrams, and then we had to color it and design it, and then we made a story about it. That was really fun. Number 2, buzzer game. That was fun. I didn't really play the buzzer game, but I like watching other people play it. And I like seeing other people race to the buzzer, and when they get it done, a lot of people are laughing or smiling. And last and final one, mathematician. That was also really fun because when we did the mathematician, we had to research on a famous mathematician. I researched on Sophie Germain. She was a really cool mathematician, and the interviewer was Love. She was really good at interviewing. She did really good. And that's all, folks.